delegates of Russia and Mexico, and they're in the middle of a huge crisis. Delegate of Russia, what's been going on?
So basically, the Russian government has sanctioned the assassination of a Mexican ambassador to Colombia.
Delegate of Mexico, what do you feel about this?
Basically, see, now it goes very simple. We don't understand why they were there in Colombia. Secondly, we don't get why they assassinated an ambassador. The only a point of an ambassador is to, increase foreign relations and for peace. Whereas what the Russian government has done by assassinating this ambassador has not only destroyed the peace, but also might have destroyed the potential relation between the Colombian and the Mexican government. And therefore, this delegate believes that the Russian government needs to justify what they have done and the reasons why they have done this. Because destroying peace for no reason is, well, not the reason why we are present here today.
Can you justify what you've done, Delegate of Russia?
It's not like there was much peace in Mexico anyway, with all the drug cartels and the drug wars and the United States of America's presence in Mexico. And we did have sufficient information from our Russian intelligence that this certain Mexican ambassador in question was in fact working with the FARC, which I wouldn't be surprised actually regarding Mexico's government and their ideals and their policies.
So you shot an ambassador on a hunch?
No, it wasn't a hunch. We had enough proof.
Enough proof.
And we didn't shoot. It was an assassination.
All right.
As seen, they went on and shot an ambassador who was trying in Colombia, not Mexico, first thing. And also they shot an ambassador on just information, no prior evidence, and therefore they believed, let's just kill him because we think he has a relation to the FARC. And if this was possible, and if such actions of the Russian government were justified, then even today the US government can carry out such actions against various enemies of his on a hunch that they were associated with another.
Okay, look, United States of America went into Iraq with a hunch that has weapons of mass destruction. Who supported them? Mexico. Now, Russia is to the Latin American countries what the United States of America is to the NATO countries. Hence, we believe that it was our responsibility to carry out this assassination. We do not need to give any justification to the government of Mexico. However, we believe that it was our responsibility to conduct the assassination for the benefit of not only the international community but for the Latin American countries and the Caribbean countries as well.
Delegate of Russia, do two wrongs make a right?
We should ask that to the government of Mexico.
Government of Mexico, why is he asking us to ask you?
The delegate is completely unaware why the delegate of Russia wants to ask the Mexican government for such a thing, because up till now, whatever the Mexican government has done today, it was for the welfare of the government as well as for the welfare of its foreign relations.
Yes, because the Mexican government has never done anything wrong. Actually, yeah, not two wrongs, 2, 3, 4, 5. Too many wrongs to count.
It's all been happening here at CELAC, where 5 wrongs make a right, but 2 don't.